Welcome to Nano School's Supervised Machine Learning with Python, Full Stack Foundations course. Join India's leading deep science learning organization to master AI development. Nano School is India's leading AI school, and our course is fully NSTC accredited, ensuring top-tier quality. This track is designed for beginners, requiring no prior coding or math background. You'll master both regression and classification, the core concepts of supervised machine learning. Learn to predict continuous outcomes like prices and scores using powerful regression models. You'll also build classification systems to predict categories like fraud, disease, or customer churn. Who is this course for? Ideal for fresh graduates, career switchers, professionals, and entrepreneurs across India. No prior coding or math background is needed. We start from the very basics. Let's look at what else this course offers. This intensive 8-week program includes over 50 hours of content, mastering Python and scikit-learn. You'll build real-world predictive models like a house price predictor and a startup success classifier. Beyond the curriculum, you'll receive valuable benefits and support. Receive an NSTC verified certificate recognized by Indian employers and startups. Enjoy lifetime access to our browser-based LMS and mentorship from NSTC certified experts. We're so confident in our program, we offer a 30-day refund policy. Don't miss out. Enroll now for just 3,999 rupees and kickstart your AI career today.